máa bọ̀. Àwọn dẹ̀ tí kọ̀ ọmọ ti mọ̀ nǹkan tó plant fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà. And that girl, any call present birth certificate tó bá jẹ́ underage. Ọmọ yẹn dìde, ó ní ẹ máa bọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi mí kó bá yín o. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ní kitchen, ibẹ̀ ni kò sí camera. Ìkọ́ra yẹn ló fi nà ọmọ. Now, some years ago, I have challenges with my marriage and she lost the baby. Wọ́n fi gbà kankan lóyún rí, irọ́ ló pa. Gbogbo kíní ló ti pre-planned. Gbogbo kíní ló ti wà well pre-planned. Just to get the attention of Nigerians. Just to get the emotional of Nigerians to help them to nail someone down.
So, some parents in my area, out of compassion, allowed their children to stay with me.
Okay.
So that I will not feel lonely, you know. There were 6 of them, 3 boys and 3 girls.
Okay.
Now, Baba Jesha had challenges and he came to me for help. So I tried my best. I registered him in a lesson.
Now, all these things this woman is saying here, according to Baba Jesha, is all fabricated lies. It has never happened. All the things she's saying here, it's all fabricated lies. Ẹjọ́, ibo ni obìnrin ti rán Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ sí school, tó fi Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó register Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí lesson. All these things is lie, liar, liars. Lie, liar, liars. Ẹ ti gbọ́rú ẹ̀rí. Kí èèyàn dẹ̀ kúkú ẹ wò irọ́ tó máa jọmọ́ ti yín, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kán pa mọ́ yín o. All these things is lie, liar, liars.
He sat for GC. And then I tried to get him into Unilag. In fact, he was enrolled. So he came that day. He needed more help.
Okay.
And I was not going out. So I asked the children, because 3 of them are boys.
Okay.
There's a place down my street where they play. Then the 2 small ones wanted to follow them.
Okay.
So my auntie had come to visit me and he was there. He was there. So when she was leaving, I had to go downstairs to lock the gate after her.
Okay.
I didn't know what happened in this.
Yára láti gbọ́rọ̀, lọ́ra láti fèsì. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó kọ́kọ́ sọ yìí, obìnrin yìí complicate ara ẹ̀ gan. Tí màá dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí gbogbo yín kẹ́ mú point jáde. Now let's listen.
And he came to me for help.
Okay.
So I tried my best. I registered him.
Okay.
In a lesson. He sat for GC.
Ẹ wo bóbìnrin ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ pé ó register Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí lesson. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ bíi pé ìgbà téèyàn bá register ọmọ ọdún 3 àbọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ ọdún 5 sí lesson tí ó mọ̀wé tó register ẹ̀. Tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé everything is lie, liar, liars. Ẹ wo bó ṣe máa ń kúkúrọ́ just for them to have your support to destroy people. They are like politicians. Ṣé rí àwọn yẹ̀yẹ́ British, if they want to destroy people, wọ́n máa kúkúrọ́ bí àwọn politicians tó máa sọ pé ẹ dìbò fún wa, a máa fún yín níná. Ẹ dìbò fún wa, a máa jẹ́ kó omi wá. Ẹ dìbò fún wa, ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ máa gba oxygen. Ẹ dìbò fún wa, school ọ̀fẹ́ máa wà, iṣẹ́ máa wà. Just because they want people vote. The same thing to all this yeye British. If they want to destroy anyone online, they have never come with truth. For one day, àwọn irọ́, àgbákò irọ́, ògidì irọ́ ló máa ń pa. Now let's go.
And then I tried to get him into Unilag. In fact, he was enrolled. So he came that day. He needed more help.
Okay.
And I was not going out. So I asked the children, because 3 of them are boys.
Okay.
There's a place down my street where they play. Then the 2 small ones wanted to follow them. So my my auntie had come to visit me and he was there. He was there.
Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tóbìnrin sọ. Ó ní after tó wọ́n enroll Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí school tán. Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó wá padà wá. Ó lóun needed more help. Níjọ́ tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà wá, ẹ má gbàgbé pé ọmọ 4 ló wà lọ́wọ́ òun, ọkùnrin 3, obìnrin 3 tóun tọ́jú ńlé nítorí pé òun ò rọ́mọ bí gbogbo yẹn lọ kọ́ ọmọ 4 wá fóun gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyá ọlọ́mọ yọyọ. Ìgbà tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà wá padà wá pé òun needed more help. And sister òun kan wá kí òun try láti sin sister òun yẹn mọ́ta. Òun sin bọ́ta. So àwọn ọkùnrin 3 yẹn àwọn làwọn fẹ́ lọ ṣeré ní playing ground ní down the street of the house. Méjì nínú àwọn ọmọ yẹn náà wọ́n tẹ̀lé wọn, ó wá kó ẹyọ kan nílé. Mi ò gbọ́rú ẹ̀ rí. Gbogbo abiyamọ ńgbà tọ́rọ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ìtara ò jẹ́ kẹ́ digest ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ẹ má gbọ́ lọ. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ ló ń gbẹ́kọ́, kò lálẹ́ gí o. Bó ṣe ń kúkú irọ́ yẹn, bọ̀ tó ní pé gbogbo yín tara bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe ń gbóná, ẹ̀mọ̀kọ́ tó kọ́ ní ìsìn pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá ọmọ ọdún 6 sùn. Ní gbogbo èèyàn ṣe digest ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ó yẹ má gbọ́ lọ.
So when she was leaving,
Okay.
I had to go downstairs to lock the gate after her.
Okay.
I didn't know what happened in the space of 3 to 4 minutes.
Now, ìgbà tí woman, according to her, she said, and I quote, ìgbà tó fẹ́ lọ sin sister ẹ̀ tó wá kí láti òkè kéèyàn máa gbé ní 10-story building. Mo dẹ̀ sọ pé Nàìjíríà ilé tó ń gbé kò lè jẹ́ 2-story building. Kéèyàn máa gbé ní 10-story building kó sọ̀kalẹ̀ kó sìnyàn kó lọ ti géètì kó tó padà dénú ilé. Wọ́n ti fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já ìdí ọmọ. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ ìkẹ́ ẹ̀. Ó sìnyàn bọ́ sàlẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé ó sìn dé bus stop. Ṣé ti rí pé irọ́ yìí nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí woman yìí sọ due to pé ara ń ta àwọn èèyàn kò jẹ́ kí wọ́n digest ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ó sì èèyàn bọ́ sàlẹ̀ nílé wọn pé àti ẹ̀mọ̀ bóyá downstairs gan ni àbí upstairs. Now let's now assume it's upstairs. Kéèyàn sọ̀kalẹ̀ pé jẹ́ kí n ṣe àǹtí mi ó yá bá mi wọ ọmọ mò ń bọ̀ o. Láàárín 1 minute sí 2 minutes wọ́n ti fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já ìdí ọmọ ọdún 7 àbọ̀mọ 6 years 6 years kọ́ ló pé. Is it 6 years? Ṣé ọmọ ọdún 6 ló pé àbọ̀mọ ọdún 7 ló pé? Within 1 to 2 minutes. Ẹ má gbọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ìwà níbẹ̀ yẹn.
I didn't know what happened in the space of 3 to 4 minutes. But the following week,
okay,
the school called me.
Now, arábìnrin ní within 2 to 4 minutes. Láàrin pé kí n sin kéèyàn sin àǹtí ẹ̀ lọ sàlẹ̀ kó lọ tilẹ̀kùn. Ìgbà tó máa padà wá, wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já ìdí ọmọ ọdún 7. Òun fúnra rẹ̀ ò mọ̀. Ọmọ yẹn òkè. Ordinary ọmọ kan tó ní wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já ìdí ẹ̀. Ó mójútó. Ó mọ̀. Ìwọ yẹn ló wá mójútó ọmọ 6. Ọmọ ọdún 7 tó fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já ìdí ẹ̀. Throughout that week, you didn't know anything. Throughout the week, you didn't see the child doing, Mama, I'm doing this. I'm doing that. Who is baffling the girl? Oh, claim pé o lọ́mọ ọ̀dọ̀. Ká ló sọ sí pé òun lọ́mọ ọ̀dọ̀, pa ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ló ń wẹ̀ fún. Ìwọ ló ń wẹ̀ fún. Ọmọ ọdún 7 kò ti kọ́kọ́rọ́ bọ ojú òbú ẹ̀. Oh, dẹ̀ mọ̀ throughout that week. Then, the following week, the school called you. Now, let me rewind it again.
Boys, there's a place down my street where they play. And the 2 small ones wanted to follow them.
Okay.
So,
Àwọn márùn-ún ti lọ
my
ṣeré.
auntie had come to visit me and he was there. He was there. So when she was leaving, I had to go downstairs to lock the gate after her.
Okay.
I didn't know what happened in the space of 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
But the following week, the school called me
Okay.
that I should come and see my children. What happened? They said the girl sat on the brother's leg and was maybe doing her waist somehow.
Now, abiyamọ tó bá fẹ́ jèrè ọmọ tó bá sọ pé o gba story gbọ́ ò ní jèrè ọmọ o. Almost 7 years tí wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ẹ̀. Throughout that week, you never know, you never recognize the pain. Week tó tẹ̀lé, ọmọ ẹ sáré lọ jókòó sórí ẹsẹ̀ brother ẹ̀ ní school, ó ti ń whine. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o kọ́ ṣe má àgbàlagbà gbọ́dọ̀ sọ pé wọ́n ìjọ tó disvẹ́jì òun ọ̀sẹ̀ tó tẹ̀lé òun sáré wókó mi ò gbọ́rú ẹ̀ rí. Àgbàlagbà adọ́tì àwọn pípù yìí ti báyé jẹ́ wọ́n ti lórí aláìṣẹ̀ lọ sẹ́wọ̀n ẹ gbà wá o ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Láàrin èmi àti yín kí wọ́n dún àgbà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́tí disvẹ́jì o. Ṣé ọ̀sẹ̀ tẹ disvẹ́jì yẹn tó bá ti yẹ pé okó lọ́ fi disvẹ́jì yín ṣé ọ̀sẹ̀ kejì ẹ ti lọ́mọkọ ẹ ti lọ́mọkọ kámbọ̀sì bọ́ sí ọmọ tẹ́ni wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ẹ̀ ó wá sáré dé school lọ́sẹ̀ kejì tó yẹ pé ọmọ yẹn sì máa ní pain ó wá sáré dé school okó ti sáré wùdó ó ti lọ ń jòkó sórí ẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ní school ó ti lọ ń twerk ó ti ń twerk nǹkan tó ń sọ nìyẹn o ṣé kí n rewind ẹ̀ fún yín kẹ́gbọ́. Ọ̀sẹ̀ tó tẹ̀lé ọmọ ti lọ ń twerk ṣé story tẹ fi rán Ìjẹ̀ṣà lẹ́wọ̀n rèé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ tọwọ́ láti rán Ìjẹ̀ṣà lẹ́wọ̀n rèé ní jèrè ọmọ ṣé rí story tẹ fi rán Ìjẹ̀ṣà lẹ́wọ̀n ṣé ti rí ó yá ẹ jẹ́ rewind ẹ̀ díẹ̀ sí.
The following week, the school called me.
Okay.
That I should come and see my children. What happened? Okay. They said the girl sat on the brother's leg and was maybe doing her waist somehow. They called the parents of the children as well. Okay. The parents of the children are strict born again Christians. Okay. Me, I don't allow them watch cartoon safe. The cartoon that they watch, I must watch it with them.
Hey, Shazimba. Ọmọ woman ni according to her, ọmọ tó lọ jókòó sórí ìtàn ẹ̀ tó ń twerk. After 1 week, tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ẹ̀ tó lọ ń twerk. Ògbó tí ò tí jìnnà tó fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ẹ̀. Wọ́n lè tẹ kọ́kọ́rọ́ bọ̀ àwọn àgbàlagbà lóbò gan ká má fi dè. Now, ọmọ ẹ̀ wá sáré lọ ń twerk. Àwọn ọmọ tó sọ pé òun ò kí ń gbà kọ́ wo television tó bá ń wo cartoon gan, òun máa bá wọn wò ni. Ó bá àwọn ọmọ ń wo cartoon but ó mọ̀ pé wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ọmọ. According to you, if the story was true, they are born again. You don't allow them to watch cartoon, but when they use kokoro, according to you, you never knew for 1 week.
But the parents said that maybe it's spiritual.
Spiritual.
So we started praying.
I pray.
So he warned her not to tell anybody.
Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè. Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè. Ẹni tó bá rí àwọn people yìí tí ò bá sá Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó lúwẹ̀ jẹ wọn mọ́. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà warned the child not to talk after tó fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ẹ̀ torí pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà fẹ́ fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ ìdí ẹ̀ fẹ́ fi ṣògùn owó ni. Normal èho fídò fàlí kò ní fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ọmọ tó bá fẹ́ satisfy sexual kìíní títí ẹ̀ àìdá kó fọwọ́ ṣe àbí kó fokó ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde ọmọ ó wá fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ ẹ̀ lọ fi ṣògùn owó. Ẹ wá rí ọmọ according to her o ṣé ní gbogbo kíní irọ́ ni o irọ́ ló máa jẹ́ o. But torí pé Nàìjíríà kàn jẹ́ ìgẹ́ta síbí ni tó bá jẹ́ Germany ń bí they will go to the school they will interrogate everybody in that school if it's true. Because I could remember ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ mú sàn mi wọlé family reunion ní 3 years ago. The German government go to my school. Wọ́n lọ verify. Wọ́n lọ sí ibi tí wọ́n bí èmi fún ara mi sí. Wọ́n lọ verify. Ibi tí mo bí ọmọ mi sí. Wọ́n lọ verify. Ilé alágbo tí mo máa ń lọ. Wọ́n lọ verify. Apart from my birth certificate yo. Gbogbo ibi tí mo ti gba vaccine fáwọn ọmọ mi. Wọ́n lọ verify. Just because I want to bring my son here. To verify is truly my son. Campus bossy. Kéèyàn dé dúró irọ́ mọ́yàn. Nigerian government, Ayeli Kẹ́mi Ọláógún o. Lagos state government, Kundusi o, Kẹ́mi Ọláógún o. Ẹ̀mí gbogbo yín ágún o. A máa rí yín bá sà. A máa rí yín bá mà. Judiciary of our country, Kẹ́mi Ọláógún. Kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín o. Ọlọ́run á máa lọ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀mí yín. Now, wọ́n ní spiritual. Ọmọ ọdún 7 ó lọ jókòó sórí ẹsẹ̀. Ó ń tú ẹ̀. Wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pray. Abẹ́rẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Prayer warrior.
Came back the next day to be sure if she told anybody,
Okay.
said that he bought fruits, she should follow him.
She now said Baba Ijesha came back the next day. Shetiri Roy. Ìwọ ló sọ pé Baba Ijesha fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já ọmọ. So after a week, ọmọ lọ ń jókòó sórí ẹsẹ̀. So Ijesha still come back next day again and brought fruit for the girl. Ọlọ́run ṣé o. Mo dúpẹ́ tó jẹ́ kẹ́jẹ́ wà lọ́wọ́ mi o. Mo dúpẹ́ tó jẹ́ kí n bá wọn rán orí mi ò tí bá wọn support láti cancel aláìṣẹ̀. Láti bá wọn rán orí aláìṣẹ̀ torí ọmọ ìyàwó èrè kan o. Fi iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mi dá mi lẹ́jọ́ o. Kò dẹ̀ fi iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ oníkálùkù lórí social media fi dá wọn lẹ́jọ́. Ẹ má gbọ́ sí.
To carry the fruits in the car for everybody. When she got down, he used his key again and to defile her again after that day that he came.
Jọ́nà ṣé òbú ọmọ ẹ̀ kànga ni? Ọmọ ọdún méje. Ìjẹ̀ṣà tún wá again. Ó tún fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ já. Ojú òbò tí ó ń yọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí ò tí ì jiná. Which kind lie be this? Which kind lie be this? This lie is authentic lie. This lie carry weight. This lie can kill many people. Look at it. Mo gbé fídíò yìí wá ní o. Torí àwọn náà lọ gbé fídíò bí tí Baba Ijesha ti ń làkà o. Ẹ gbà wá o. Ijesha. He still use his car key again. Ṣé Ijesha fẹ́ fọmọ ṣògùn owó ni? Second day. Ó tún fi já ìdí ẹ̀. Ṣé bulldozer ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ fúru ọmọ ẹni? Ṣé igi ìrókò ló gbé sí fúru ọmọ ni? According to you, because all this thing you are saying is lies upon liar. Ijesha came back again láti já ìdí ọmọ. Ẹ gbà mí. Gbogbo yín dẹ̀ support ẹbìnrin láti fi story àgbákò láti fi rán èèyàn lẹ́wọ̀n. Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè. And you call yourself mother. You call yourself abiyamọ. Ipe wọ́n fọmọ dá ẹ lọ́lá. Ẹ gbà mí. Ijesha lọ ọmọ ọdún méje. Ó tẹ̀lé Ijesha lọ sàlẹ̀. Ó lọ gbé fruit wá sókè. Níjọ́ kejì. Wọ́n ní the girl private resemble car. Bóyá òbú ọmọ yẹn jọ ká. Tí Ijesha fi káàkiri sí. Káàkiri Ijesha fẹ́ start mọ́tò ní fùrọ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ijesha wọ́n lẹ́yìn start mọ́tò ní fùrọ̀ ọmọ ọdún méje. Irú mọ́tò wo wá ni? Irú mọ́tò wo ni Ijesha ń lò ń gbà yẹn? Baba Ijesha irú mọ́tò wo lẹ̀ ń lò? Ṣé kìí ṣe píopíó? Pjet àbí mọ́tò oníjàpá? Peugeot àbí Peugeot? DJ YK múlẹ̀. Ẹn tó kúkú irọ́ ìfúnbìnrin kò kúkú ẹ̀ dáadáa ìkálẹ̀ ṣe o. Ọlọ́run mo dúpẹ́ pé mi support yín o. Gbogbo okay wọ́n ní Honda ni. Honda ni Ijesha ń lò. Ijesha wọ́n ní Honda lẹ̀ ń lò torí ẹ̀yin ò rí kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́tò ṣí. Fùrọ̀lẹ́ ló fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́tò ń ṣí. Ọlọ́run kó ṣàánú wa. Lọ́wọ́ ẹ tó máa parọ́ tó jọ tẹnimọ́ ni.
He didn't come to my house again. But anytime he needed help, he would call me.
Ìwọ ọmọbìnrin, prosperity will judge you. Now, ó ní ìgbà tí Ijesha padà wá ńjọ́ kejì tó ti fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ tún já fùrọ̀ ọmọ yẹn. Kò wá padà wá mọ́. Ìwọ òde wá fura tó bá jẹ́ pé tòótọ́ ni story ẹ̀. Ọmọ tún gùnkè, ọmọ ògàdídókè ni. Ọmọ ògàdídókè, ọmọ òfojúro, ọmọ òkè. Bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe wọlé, ó lọ sínú yàrá ẹ̀ ní àbí. Ó rẹ́ jẹ́ ẹnu pátá ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ nípa abiyamọ ni ẹ́. Ewé. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ support story láti rán orí aláìṣẹ̀ lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Ọlọ́run á judge yín o. Ọlọ́run gbogbo yín lẹ máa jèrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín lórí àwọn ọmọ yín. Gbogbo yín pátá lẹ máa jèrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín. Tẹ́lẹ̀ sí ń dodge ní. That is why they are keeping Ijesha short. For him not to talk. Because when Ijesha talk, they will be exposed and people will nail them. Ìdí nìyẹn o. Tó fi ṣùṣì Ijesha o.
So when I saw the news, people are saying that he has been, molesting her for 7 years. They were saying so many things. Why? Fine, he defiled her, he assaulted her. And we just found out. But he never came to our house again. He was dodging me. So
Ijesa ń dodge ẹ. Ní Ijesa tó lọ grant interview tó láwọn lé ẹ dànù. Níbi táwọn ti ń ṣe fíìmù àbí kí ló lọ ń ṣe ń bẹ̀. Ipe wọ́n lé ẹ dà wọ́n contraband ẹ. Tí Ijesa bá ẹni tó sọ pé Ijesa ń dodge òun, tí Ijesa bá ń dodge ẹ, ọwọ́ kan tó pé Ijesa ò ní yọjú sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Àbí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ ṣaburú síbì kan. Tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ pé lórúkọ. Ṣé ẹ̀ ní sáfóńtàn? Obìnrin yìí, ẹ̀rí ọkàn òde jẹ́. You don't have conscience pé nǹkan tí mo ṣe tó bá tẹ̀yẹ pé ó ṣe ẹ̀. Tí Ijesa bá ṣe ẹ̀, I said this when we are treating this case. If Ijesa offended you, there is nothing bad. Wá síta, ìkọ́ báyìí ni Ijesa ṣe fún mi. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ bá ẹ dá sẹ̀ríà fún, bá ẹ dá sẹ̀ríà fún. Ẹni tí yóò bá dé ẹ̀wùn kó lẹ́jẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ní pé ló máa yanjú ẹ̀. Gbogbo pátápátá la máa ń ṣẹ́ra wa. But kéèyàn wá mú irọ́ just because you want the whole world to kill the person for you, for your own selfish interest. Èmi ò ní bá yín lọ́wọ́ nú ẹ̀ o. Kò sí celebrity kan tó lè gbé èèyàn wá sórí social media kó ṣẹ̀wọ̀n kí báwọn dá sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín. Kò sí celeb náà tó lè gbé ọ̀rọ̀ wá sórí media yìí pé ẹ lágbájá kan kọ́ bá òun pa, kọ́ bá òun ṣe ó ṣe pa. Mi ò ní ẹ̀fẹ̀ gbà yín gbọ́. Ẹ wo irọ́. Ijesa jáfùrọ̀ ọmọ, ó wá ní ìjọ àkọ́kọ́ ó jáfùrọ̀ ọmọ, ó wá níjọ́ kejì ó fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáfùrọ̀ ọmọ, ó wá sá lọ.
He needed my help. I now called him that, Henry, you need my help. The joke was silly.
Okay.
I'm not feeling fine. My wedding just ended. I don't have money. Why to she gave me mama? He now said that he's sorry, he shoots him. So I went. But I noticed that he was avoiding me. I didn't even know why.
He avoid you because then because of the Ijesa ma avoid ye. Ijesa gbóhùn but wọ́n ní fura ni. Ó lè gbóhùn pé you are in danger. You are in danger. But torí pé wọ́n ní fura. Sometimes ara máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún yàn. You see, sometimes ara máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún yàn. But ara bá sọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ, follow up. Ìgbà mi ẹ lè máa lọ bí kan kó rí yín dìde kó tútù kan mú yín gìrìgìrì. You have to go back home. Ó lè máa lọ bí kan kó kàn lọ kẹsẹ̀ tí ò dá. But ní gbọ́ torí ibi tá ń lọ yẹn. Ẹ wo irọ́ burúkú. Ẹ wo irọ́ òṣì. Àwọn wèrè kan wá bọ́ta wọ́n ní obìnrin làwọn. Obìnrin ní yín ẹ ní jèrè àwọn ọmọ yín ọkùnrin. Irọ́ tó jọ rú rọ́bà yìí ló máa pa mọ́ àwọn ọmọ yín ọkùnrin. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi yé. There is nothing bad tó bá fọ́ fún Ijesa. Ipe Ijesa o promise mi fẹ́ kò fẹ́ mi mọ́ o. Kí lẹ lè ṣe? Ẹ wo ìyàwó bọ̀bọ̀ egungun yẹn. Egungun be careful. Mo ní egungun, sorry. Bọ̀bọ̀ fún wọn ní tomorrow. Gbé sókè, areka, asapu, gbé wálẹ̀, gbé sókè. Ẹ sì mọ̀. Gẹ́ yẹn náà lè set bọ̀bọ̀ fún wọn ní tomorrow. Ó lè set up na kó náà set up pẹ̀lú minor. But gẹ́ yẹn bọ́ta, ó ní ó fẹ́ òun fún 13 years kò fẹ́ òun mọ́. Àwọn ayédè George tó yẹ kọ́ fún bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn. Kì í ṣe pé kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tọkùnrin bá fẹ́ yín àbẹ́ fẹ́ fọkùnrin tí ò bá fẹ́ yín mọ́. Ẹ má bàa tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ gbé òbò yín síwájú. Ọlọ́run ò pé ti yín nìyẹn. Ẹ gbà mí. Bọ̀bọ̀ tó wọ́n sọ pé areka gbé sókè, asáàpù gbé. Bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn sì, mo rí fídíò ẹ̀kan lánàá tó rìlíìsì tó ní dátì ẹ mọ̀. Àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ bu pa. Tẹ́ bá lọ rí àwọn obìnrin, wọ́n bu pa pé orí. Àwọn tí ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n gbì. Ẹnìkan ní orí ẹ̀ dàbí àtẹ́fáwẹ́dì. Ìkan ní ẹnu ẹ̀ dàbí tapẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìkan ní kọ́wọ́ bí mú ẹ̀ ṣe. Wọ́n kàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bu.
The child started failing in school.
Now, kọ́kọ́rọ́ tó fi jáde ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ kó fail ní school. Ṣé ti ń gbọ́? Kọ́kọ́rọ́ tó fi jáde ẹ̀ ọmọ 7 years. Tó bá bímọ rí, àwọn tó bímọ rí tán raise ọmọ láti 0 month di 7 years. Wọ́n mọ bí memory ọmọ 7 years ṣe máa rí o. Ó dùn mí pé mi lọ́mọ 7 years mọ́ nú léyìí. Àwọn mi ti grown up. Ọmọ 7 years. Kọ́kọ́rọ́ tó wá fi jáde ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì, ó jẹ́ kó máa fail in school. Ó dà.
You know, I will collect pay for private lesson, everything. And when I told my family, they told me we should pray. Maybe it's spiritual.
Spiritual.
But the parents of the child said that we should keep praying.
Okay.
They kept the children. They call on me. Those 6 children. If those children are with me, God will answer my prayers.
God cannot answer such a prayer because your heart is dark. Téèyàn bá mú ọmọ kan mọ́ra tí ó bá nínú mímọ́, orí ọmọ yẹn lè pọmọ wáyé fún. Ìwọ kó ọmọ 6 mọ́ra, orí ọmọ ò tí pọmọ wáyé dè ní. Ó dẹ̀ sọ pé Ọlọ́run answer prayer because your heart is dark. Your heart is super over dark. Àbí ẹ gbà mí. Ó ní ó kó ọmọ 6 sínú ilé. Kó rí ọmọ pọmọ wáyé. Obìnrin 3, ọkùnrin 3. Ọmọ ọkùnrin 3, obìnrin 3. Now let's assume if it's true that she has 6 children. Obìnrin 3, ọkùnrin 3 yẹn. Are those children sleeping in the same room? Kí ló fún wa l'assurance pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn kọ́ ló ń bára wọn sùn? Bóyá àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló ń bára wọn sùn tí wọ́n dé fáyẹ̀ lára wọn. Tó wá wò pé kó kúkú ẹ̀ lé Ọláréwájú mi kálórí. Because I don't understand. This story of 7 years never existed. Kí ló rò débẹ̀ tó fi kúkú ẹ̀? Tí irú ẹ̀ bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn ọmọ tó kúrò bóyá wọ́n ń dóra wọn. Ó wá wò pé let me put it on Ijesa head. I want to bring him down. The way you guys cancel Naira Marley. Just because you have personal vendetta, personal fight with him. When the deed was good, when the deed was sweet, you never inform us. You never call us. When the Tony cancel Naira Marley no, ìgbà tí Naira Marley ń gbé flower lọ sílé ẹ̀, tó ń pe my heart, my soul, my joy, my love. She never call us. She never share the flower with us. She never share the bank alert with us. Tí Naira Marley ń wáyà sí account ẹ̀. Gbogbo àti lọ́rọ̀ ìtì Naira Marley kó bá òun sign ní ọmọ cousin òun. Gbogbo àti lọ́rọ̀ ìtì Naira Marley kó bá òun ṣe. Gbogbo àti àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ ṣeré Naira Marley. She never call us. All the enjoyment our children both enjoy in Naira Marley's house. She never share it with us. Oh, she just put a bad vendetta with people. You bring them on social media for us to cancel them. Ọlọ́run àbí. Very wicked so. Orí ọmọ ló ń pọmọ wá jayé. Irú orí ọmọ òfowó ló ń pọmọ wáyé. Ṣé wọ́n lórí gidi ni? Ọmọ téèyàn bá tọ́jú lórí ẹ̀ máa pọmọ wáyé fún ẹ. Tó bá jẹ́ àgàn, tó bá fún ẹ lọ́mọ kó tọ́jú ẹ̀. Tó bá tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ lórí ẹ̀ máa pọmọ wáyé fún ẹ. Ó mú ọmọ 4. Oh, the TV kokobi. Oh, the express calling one pomo waye. Oh, told you one man. According to you, if the story is truth.
Okay. No problem. I kept on saying that something is wrong. This child has changed.
Change. Then
my family said that don't I have faith? We should be fasting.
Now, èèyàn tí wọ́n fi okó jáde ẹ̀ gan kò gbọ́dọ̀ máa wá okó kiri bí obìnrin ṣe portrait ọmọ ọdún 7 tó ń sọ yìí. Ẹ gbà mí. Àwọn aláṣẹ́wó gan tó ń pè lólóṣó. At least tó bá dóko tó stage kan òbó máa ro wọ́n wá relax pé wo mi ò lọ sí oríta tamaki àwọn fẹ́ relax. Ká bọ́ sí ọmọ ọdún 7 kì í ṣe pé ọmọ yẹn kì í ṣe pé ó sọ pé wọ́n ti fi okó jáde ẹ̀ ó ti máa dùn okó kọ́kọ́rọ́. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ gùn díẹ̀ tí ò ní dùn. So ọmọ tó fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ gùn díẹ̀ sí òun ló wá rìn kiri kóhun náà máa fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ gùn díẹ̀. Wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n yọ okó sí kọ́kọ́rọ́ ló ní wọ́n fi jáde ẹ̀. Ṣé gbogbo láàpù àwọn èèyàn tó lọ ń jókòó sí ní school ó fẹ́ kó máa fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ sóhun nídìí ni? Ẹ gbà mí ẹ̀yin abiyamọ. Ẹ gbà mí. Ẹ dẹ̀ support evil yìí láti rán èèyàn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Ẹni yẹn tún dé látẹ̀wọ̀n. Ẹ jẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tẹ́ mú. Ó tún fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn ẹni kó má sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ fẹ́ keep ẹ̀ ṣùṣù pọ̀rọ̀ wo ló fẹ́ sọ.
Even the parents were fasting and praying. They will go to redeem because they go to redeem. They will bring water. They will pray. But after 2 years, I said this thing is not spiritual. Something is wrong.
After 2 years, that's 9 years. So that means ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn wà ní 7 years. Ó ń dóko kiri ní tó fi wọ 2 years, tó fi wọ 9 years. Ìyẹn ló ń pè ní òbòjápọ̀ mọ́ fúrọ́. Àwọn ọmọ orú okó tó lé ọmọ yẹn ń dó. Bóyá okó gidi àbí kọ́kọ́rọ́, okó ní kọ́kọ́rọ́. Ẹ gbà mí. Mi ò gbọ́rú eléyìí rí. Àwọn tó máa sọ pé wọ́n fi tipátipá bá àwọn sùn wọn, pé wọ́n rape àwọn. Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ sọ máa wọ́n ń wó kó kiri láì ṣe ajá. Ẹ gbà mí. Obìnrin gúdù o.
Mi sọ pé mo ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀.
Nàìjíríà náà ti lè pa irọ́ ìtàn máa gbàgbọ́. Wọ́n lè parọ́ ẹ̀ sí etí èyìnbó kéyìnbó sọ pé are you sure you are upstairs? You are right upstairs. You are not sick upstairs. Wọ́n lè parú irọ́ yìí lọ́dọ̀ Nàìjíríà German police come and show mad. Ó lọ fà o.
Pé mo ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀, why tí mo ṣe ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀.
Ó tẹnu mọ́rọ̀.
So last year,
Okay.
Shemo, all the children are grown now,
Okay.
and they are in boarding house.
Okay.
So last year,
ṣé ọmọ tẹ ló ń dó kókì ó ń jókòó sí láàpù lẹ́tí lọ fi sí boarding house. Ọmọ tẹ ní ó ń jókòó sí láàpù. Ó wà lákàtà ó ń jókòó sí láàpù. Ẹ wá lọ fi sí boarding house. Ṣé tí ń gbọ́n sìn? Ọmọ tán ni ó ń jókòó sí láàpù ní age of 7 years to 9 years. Agbára yín ò ká, ẹ ṣe wá lọ fi sí boarding house.
one of my friends said that since I don't have a child of my own,
Now
I should go and adopt.
That's the height of emotional blackmailing. That is the weapon they use to bring Ijesa down. Since because I don't have child of my own. Tó bá ní child ọmọ títí ẹ, ṣé o ti rí àgàn tó kú tájájú òkú ẹ̀ rí ni? Ṣé ìwọ nìkan ló ní kọ́kọ́ ní child of tiẹ̀ ni? We have many women that they haven't give birth. A ní obìnrin tó pọ̀ lágbàáyé tán tí ìbímọ. Ayé ò parẹ́. And they've never been so bitter like this. Ẹni tọ́mọ bá sin ló bímọ. Àìmọye ẹlòmíì tó bímọ tó yẹ pé ọjọ́ alẹ́ wọn yàgàn ni. Kọ́lọ́run má fi irú ẹ̀ ṣe wá. Ẹ gbà mí. Ṣé story tí gbogbo yín fi rányàn lẹ́wọ̀n rí?
A baby, because all the 6 of them are now in boarding house.
Okay, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹfẹ̀fà yẹn. Okay.
So last year, January, I said, okay, let me go and adopt a baby.
Okay.
So that I will not be the only one at home. So, but I was like, are we not going to go to the root of this problem?
Okay.
You understand? So, because of Corona, we couldn't do anything.
Okay.
So this last month, I said that let me go and adopt the baby. Okay. Because school is resuming next month. The children are going back to boarding house.
Okay.
But maybe we will change her boarding house again because something is wrong. You know, my friend came here, she was telling me, Princess, you have been saying the same thing for 7 years. Yet tomorrow. And I was telling her, but I never imagined in my life. Because for almost 14 years now, I have been helping children who have been abused and molested. I house them. I take care of them. Even women who have domestic violence issues, I house them. I help them. Why? Some people are not so got more because he's a popular actor. He's a popular actor. Is he bigger than God? Somebody that came to meet me for help. No problem. I know, said, let me call him.
Okay.
My friend now talk to the child again. That's what is going on. She now told us what happened. I was shocked. And I said, okay, let me call Baba Ijesa. You know, I went to his page. I wrote, Baba Ijesa, please check your DM. Because I was trying his number, it was not going. He now sent me a message that Alpha.
So,
I said,
until your friend until your friend came in, that means the guy is not secure with you if your story is true. After 14 years. Irọ́ ìpọ̀.
Want to shoot a movie, he should come. So me and my mom.
Ó ní àgbàtà ọmọ yẹn wá jẹ́wọ́, òun wá lọ write Baba Ijesa lórí Instagram pé I want to shoot movie, he should come. Okay.
We said that when he comes there, we'll sit him down and ask him, is this thing, is it really true? You know, is it really true? So that day we were waiting for him. When he was on his way, I now remembered what my friend had told me. And my sister, they told me that we should be careful. People we want to support Baba Ijesa and say that they want to set him up.
ta ló lè guess friend ẹ̀ tó dárúkọ yẹn? And tó bá lè guess friend ẹ̀ tó dárúkọ pé they should be careful. People want to support the Baba Ijesha so that they can set camera and set him up. Ta ló lè guess friend yẹn? Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa rókì lọ́kàn yín. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti guess friends yẹn, ẹ kọ ìnagijẹ sí bíbá.
Don't have evidence. I called CCTV company to come. They came.
CCTV company.
They said,
she called CCTV company to come. Níjọ́ tí Baba Ijesha ń dé, CCTV company sáré fix CCTV. Okay.
When they came here, I told them it's a matter of life and death. They set camera.
Okay.
They set the camera. We asked everybody in the house to go out and stay in the neighbor's house.
Okay. How many people in the house?
She was afraid. We said she should calm down because she did not see him again. Since that 7 years, she didn't see him until she saw him in a movie that we did together with one mama like that 2 years ago. She saw me in that movie and him. She started doing some, even her brothers. They're asking her, what happened? She couldn't say it.
Now, Shetimgo, the guy never saw Baba Ijesha again until after 2 years, she now saw a movie she acted with Baba Ijesha. And she's shaking. She's nobody. Even her brother said, what is wrong with you? Emma Bo, omo ton lo shaky. Omo lo lo gi Baba Ijesha. Omo lo lo joko ti Baba Ijesha. Ko shaky ngba to Baba Ijesha life and direct.
He told us. So, they now put the CCTV.
Okay.
He came in. As he came in, he saw that there was nobody at home. I told him that I want to see those people. He asked me, who are these people? I said, they are DSTV people. I want to see them off.
Okay.
That when I go now, I will stay long. He should relax. He said, okay.
Shetimgo say. Shetimgo to bring some by. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi, ẹ power tap lórí TikTok, Facebook tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi, ẹ tẹ love and like. Ó ní nígbà tí Ijesha dé tó ra àwọn èèyàn, ó ní who are these people? Ó lóun sọ fún pé àwọn ará CCTV DSTV ni. Ipe kó relax òun máa pẹ́ ń ta. Kí ló fẹ́ yín l'assurance pé kí Ijesha relax òun máa pẹ́ ń ta? Nǹkan tó sọ fún Ijesha nìyẹn. Kí ló fẹ́ yín l'assurance pé ọ̀rọ̀ fíìmù kọ́ ló ń bá Ijesha sọ àbí bí Ijesha ṣe máa heart? Ẹ bó ṣe sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, whereas nínú fídíò yẹn ó lọ, ó bọ̀, ó padà wá, ó tún lọ, ó bọ̀, ó rojọ́. Ó nawọ́, gbogbo ẹ̀ ni Yomi Fabiyi ti play. Ó dẹ̀ wà lórí social media tó release. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ bó ṣe sọ sí pé Ijesha dúró mú bọ̀. Mo máa pẹ́ńta. Ó yẹ kí n jùdí fún ẹni o. Judiciary lórúkọ obìnrin. Judiciary.
I dropped my phone. I said my phone is here. Then I went out.
Okay.
We locked the door.
Okay.
2 seconds. He stood up.
Okay.
Begin to check my whole house. He checked every room to make sure none of the children are sleeping. And are sleeping. Ìwọ kọ́ ló ní kó fìlà tó mu ni. Ipò ń bọ̀. Ewé. Hey. Ẹ gbà mí. Ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. Tẹ́ bá ń jí oko lóko wà. Tọ́n tí kàn yín mọ́ bẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ máa lọ bẹ̀ ni ọkàn yín máa fà síbẹ̀. Ẹ gbà mí. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pọ̀. Irọ́ yìí pọ̀. Sleeping. Kẹ́ máa wo bí èèyàn ṣe burú. Ewé. Gbogbo inú ilé gbé. Ó fẹ́ wá sure so that he will be sure that none of the children is inside sleeping. He checked the whole house for camera. He checked the whole house. Then he started. I can't even begin to relay the things that he did. I was shaking because we're monitoring it on the phone. Okay. But at the point when she stood up to go to the
She said herself that she dropped her phone. She said it herself here that she dropped her phone. Òun wá sọ fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé òun fẹ́ sìn wọn lọ pé fóònù òun wà bí òun sìn wọn. But ìgbà táwọn wá ń ta ara wọn ò gbà wọ́n monitor ẹ̀ nínú fóònù. Gbogbo ìrántí ẹ jẹ́ sáré gbé fídíò yìí wá. Ẹ dúró. Màá play ẹ̀ fún yín sìn. Fídíò yẹn dà. Ẹ gbọ́ fídíò yìí.
So that once you enter, you attacked her.
Yes,
Yes, you didn't waste time. You went to search the room if there's anybody.
Yes.
Yeshadi, no. No, it's not like that. Yeshadi, no. Yeshadi.
Princess, wait. Leave her. Let her express herself. Leave her. It's painful. If she don't express herself, you can show her like that. Leave her. Let her express herself. Leave her.
Now, mo sọ fún yín pé mo sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fún yín ẹ believe me. Mo ní ó ń wo kámẹ́rà yẹn níta. Ìyẹn fóònù tó drop. Ó ń control ẹ̀ níta. Ọmọ yẹn sọ fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ìjẹ̀ṣà sì bọ̀ wá sọ fún yín o. Ọmọ yẹn sọ fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé wọ́n ti set yín up o. Kámẹ́rà rẹ o. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ń bí, ẹ máa bọ̀ ń kitchen. Kò sí kámẹ́rà ń kitchen. Mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ń bí. Kíni yẹn lórí tó fi ń dùn polo burúkú lọmọ yìí. Kò fẹ́ jẹ́ kó òun rí evidence tó ń fi fẹ́ fi bá ti Ìjẹ̀ṣà jẹ́. Ìdí nìyẹn tó fi na ọmọ yẹn pa. Get here. Now, ọmọ tó ló wà traumatized, òun lòun náà tó ń ké ń bí, tó ń ṣe torí pé ọmọ yẹn sọ fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe lóko, ọmọ yẹn ní ẹ̀gbọ́n, wọ́n fẹ́ bá ti yín jẹ́ o, kámẹ́rà rèé o, ẹ máa bọ̀ ń kíṣìn, ẹ jẹ́ ìsàn kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ fún yín, kò sí kámẹ́rà ń bẹ̀. Ìbínú yẹn ló ń fi tètè wọlé tó fi na ọmọ yẹn pa. Now, ọmọ tó ń sọ yìí, is the baby underage or not underage? Ìjẹ̀ṣà sì ń bọ̀ wá sọ fún yín, ẹ jẹ́ á máa gbé lọ. Wọ́n ti rán lẹ́wọ̀n already. But they don't want the truth of the matter to come aside. Kò dẹ̀ sí bí irọ́ ṣe lè lọ lógún ọdún, ìjọ́ kan ló tọ́ máa bá. Now, let's watch. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sí ibi tá ti ń bọ̀. Ó yá. Fíìmù yìí ti sá lọ o. Fóònù yìí mo máa ètì fóònù yìí o. Ó máa dá mi padà sẹ́yìn ni. The
kitchen. I will know that there's no camera in the kitchen.
Ṣẹ́tìngbọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ rewind ibẹ̀ yẹn fún yín. Ẹni pé dárúkọ kitchen. Ẹ wá gbọ́.
Relay the things that he did.
Ẹ wá gbọ́.
Ara mi ò gbà. I was shaking because we're monitoring it on the phone.
Okay.
But at the point when she stood up to go to the kitchen, I will know that there's no camera in the kitchen. The people came in.
Torí pé ọmọ yẹn ó dìde ó lọ sí kitchen, ó ní kí Ìjẹ̀ṣà máa bọ̀. Àwọn dẹ̀ tí kọ̀ ọmọ sì mọ nǹkan tó plant fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà. And that girl, any call presents birth certificate tó bá jẹ́ underage. Ọmọ yẹn dìde, ó ní ẹ máa bọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi mí kó bá yín o. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ní kitchen, ibẹ̀ ni kò sí kámẹ́rà. Ìkọ́ra yẹn ló fi na ọmọ yẹn. Ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ gbé Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ sí kitchen kó lọ rọjọ́. Ṣẹ́rí bọ́ ṣe fẹ́ máa lọ sí kitchen. Òun làwọn fi bínú wọlé pé àwọn olórí burúkú lọmọ yìí ni. Ọmọ òṣì ni ẹni. Ìgbà tá fi ẹ́ set èèyàn up tó mú kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ tó mú lọ kitchen. Ṣé ò ń ṣí eré ni? Ìdí tó fi lu ọmọ yẹn pa nìyẹn. Tó fi ní more evidence, tó fi release pé ó làkà torí ẹ̀ kó lọ sẹ́wọ̀n gbére fún. Wọ́n ní mommy ní how did she know she was going to kitchen? Because they said the phone tó gbélé, wọ́n fi another phone control dàbí kí wọ́n máa ṣe video call mommy, wọ́n fi another phone control wọn. Wọ́n ti set ibi tí phone yẹn wà. Wọ́n ti set ibi tí ọmọ yẹn máa jókòó sí. Tẹ́ bá rí ọmọ yẹn ẹ̀gbẹ́ Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló jókòó sí. But ọmọ yẹn tẹ́ bá rí ọmọ yẹn kọ́kọ́ sún díẹ̀, ó ní ẹ̀gbọ́n, wọ́n fi mí kó bá yín o, ẹ máa bọ̀ ní kitchen, kò sí kámẹ́rà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé àwọn tó mọ sọ fún yín pé kí lẹ lè mọ̀ tó fi ń na ọmọ yẹn tẹ́nìkan ni bóyá torí pé ara ń ta ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ tú àṣírí pé páńpẹ́rẹ́ o ẹ̀gbọ́n yìí ẹ má kó síbẹ̀ o ẹ má bọ̀ ń kíṣìn ìdí nìyẹn tó fi bágìn gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́mọ yẹn sọ fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà ìdí nìyẹn tó fi bágìn sínú ilé yẹn tó fi fìbínú tó fi lu ọmọ yẹn pa bọ̀ torí pé àwọn abiyamọ wọn calm down nígbà tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí torí pé ó ń lo emotional blackmailing ní gbogbo wọn ṣe sọ pé kí Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ kú àti Abókù sọ̀rọ̀ tó ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà dún ọmọ ọdún 7 kan pa wọn máa pé ó ní pé tó bá fi bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ìgbà tó lọ protest that is why I'm ali àṣẹ pé ṣé yẹn lè jọ ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ṣá Ìjẹ̀bú òun bá tèèyàn jẹ ṣé yẹn lè jọ ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ṣá it's a shame pé ó máa ń sọ pé Ìjẹ̀bú lòun dẹ̀ bá tèèyàn jẹ tẹ̀sígbọ́n àdúrà díẹ̀ ni ìyẹn Abókù sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ mú tó ọ́díò yẹn ṣe ní nǹkan tó ṣe ọmọ yẹn náà sọ̀rọ̀ fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ọmọ yẹn ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ bàbá ẹ máa bọ̀ kíṣìnì o kámẹ́rà ò sí ń bẹ̀ o wọ́n ti dẹ páńpẹ́ fún yín o náà ẹ máa gbọ́.
They called police.
ẹ jẹ́ rìn wá níbẹ̀ yẹn.
Police are sleeping. Kẹ́ máa wo bí èèyàn ṣe burú.
báwo lèèyàn ṣe burú wọ gbogbo ló burú.
gbogbo inú ilé gbé ó fẹ́ wà sure so that he will be sure that none of the children is inside sleeping. He checked the whole house for camera. He checked the whole house.
ẹ bá mi share show yìí ẹ bá mi share.
I can't even begin to relay the things that he did.
Okay, what did he did?
Ara mi ò gbà, I was shaking.
Ẹ wo bó ṣe ń parọ́. Tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá did more damage, they will release the video on social media for people to see. But just because the guy wants to go and tell Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé wọ́n ti fi mí kó bá yín o, ẹ máa bọ̀ ń kitchen.
Because we're monitoring it on the phone.
Ṣẹ́tìngbọ́.
But at the point when she stood up to go to the kitchen, and we know that there is no camera in the kitchen.
When the guy stood up to go to the kitchen, and we know that there is no camera in the kitchen, Ibiniye lọ fi bag wọlé ẹ máa gbọ́.
The people came in. They called police.
They called police.
Police came immediately. They picked him.
She never mentioned here that when they used vaccination to come in, they beat the girl, they beat Ìjẹ̀ṣà to stupor. Wọ́n lu Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí kó kú. Èyí tó má dáadáa ní wà ń bẹ̀, èyí tó mú pankẹ́rẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀, èyí tó mú oríṣiríṣi wà ń bẹ̀. Ṣẹ́rí ọmọbìnrin wọ́n lu Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí kí ọmọkùnrin gùn tó yẹn. Tó bá yẹ pé bí ọkùnrin méjì ló kó ti Ìjẹ̀ṣà jọ Ìjẹ̀ṣà lè lù wọ́n. Wọ́n pọ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Àtàwọn tí wọ́n ṣe Yorùbá. Wọ́n ti already ya iṣẹ́ yẹn pre-plan job ni ṣẹ́ra àwọn yẹ̀yẹ́ briti pre-plan attack ló máa ti ń ṣe sílẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tí social media lẹ́ máa rò bí fresh attack ni pre-planned wọ́n lu Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí kókú gbogbo kan tí ẹ̀ka kan sọ pé jọ má bínú èṣù ni jọ kò mọ nǹkan tó sọ ó ti bí ní pé òun máa kúnjọ yẹn wọ́n lu bí kókú ẹ̀rí tó faṣọ ọmọ lọ́rùn ni just because ò fọ́ fọ́kùnrin tí ó bá fọ́ fún ẹ àbí tó bóyá ó fẹ́ jẹ́ ó dẹ̀ ti jẹ́ nìyẹn torí inú tí ẹ bá da ó yẹ kó padà ọkùnrin míì náà bọ́kọ bá kọ ní ọkọ làáfẹ́ náà ẹ máa rí single mother mi single mother of 5 single mother of 7 tó máa tún pàdé fresh potato tó máa fẹ́ èwo ní tapa tí alapa tó fẹ́ rò pé tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ́rùn àtúwáwí tán ó wá mú ọmọ ìyá wèrè tẹ́bá ti fẹ́ attack èèyàn tẹ́ bá lè rí ṣe ẹ lọ mú ọmọ ìyá wèrè torí pé ẹ mọ̀ pé ìyẹn ti ní ẹpọ̀n àwọn high caliber ó ti ní ẹpọ̀n wọn lọ́wọ́ tó fi ń tẹ́tì wọn ẹ fi máa rán àwọn èèyàn lẹ́wọ̀n no wonder tọmọ ìyá wèrè bọ́ tá ń jọ yẹn ìjọ ẹ̀ mo mọ̀ pé ọmọbìnrin yìí ẹni kí ló sọ ó ní Sanwó-Olú your excellency sir tọwọ́tọwọ́ mo fi pè yín èmi kọ́ mo pè yín Sanwó-Olú o your excellency sir bó ṣe sọ́ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lọ gbé fídíò ọmọ ìyá wèrè wa o tí Sanwó-Olú ò bá lè ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí pẹ̀lú confident máa gbé lọ federal láì ṣe ìyàwó ilé gọ́vnà Sanwó-Olú bó ṣe pe orúkọ gọ́vnà wa nìyẹn jọ yẹn ó là mọ́ gọ́vnà ni Babájídé Sanwó-Olú tó bá ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa gbé lọ federal olórí ibú ńgbà tó fẹ́ fi òkú Mohbad council Naira Marley tí very dark man ò gbà fún tí very dark man ò gbà fún ṣe bọ́dọ̀ sọ pé mo ṣe justice mọ́ ibẹ̀ kọ́ máa ṣe lọ but ká ní pé very dark man gbà kọ́ cancel Naira Marley ó máa ṣe justice whereas mo bá dé in the house wọ́n ní kẹ́yìn máa wá ikú olóìbúrú ṣẹ́rí olóìbúrúkú làwọn àwọn yẹ̀yẹ́ bíríìtì tí gbogbo yín tẹ̀lé o àwọn ló máa bá ti ń jẹ́ Nàìjíríà mo bá dé in the house àwa táwọn mọ̀ pé ó dá in the house wọ́n ní káwọn máa wá kú èkiri lórí street wọ́n dà wá láàmú nonsense are ingredient.
I ask him, Larry, kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? Torí o mọ̀ pé mi ò bímọ àwọn.
That is the weapon. Mo fi ṣe ṣó. Ó ti wá ń tà. Ṣó ti ń lọ ni? Ó lè connect sí ilé rírà. Mo ti sọ fún rí tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ ṣe àìsí. Gbọ́ mi. Wọ́n ní dè bí ti Ìjẹ̀ṣà, wọ́n lu Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí kókó. Ẹ máa dúró àwọn gbòdògbòdò tó lu Ìjẹ̀ṣà, wọ́n fẹ́ lù pa. Kọ́dẹ̀ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí nílùú, wọ́n ní kó máa sọ pé yes, má bínú, yes, má bínú. Ìjẹ̀ṣà sì ń bọ̀ wá sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n set camera. Òun dẹ̀ náà ó apply pé yes, má bínú. Ó yá má bínú. Gbogbo èmi Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé kó máa lọ. Ìjẹ̀ṣà mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa fi nail òun dáhùn. Ta ló mọ̀ pé wọ́n fi nail òun dáhùn ni? Inú kámẹ́rà ló máa ti máa sọ tẹnu ẹ̀ but wọ́n ti lù bí kò ta ló máa ṣe èmi àti yín àlè fèsì àwọn ọkùnrin bíi mẹ́fà tó má dáadáa ni ẹni ju tọwọ́ yín lẹ̀ ìkàlà àwọn obìnrin yìí o. That is why you don't see me if I see bitter people bitter gender like me I run away from them. They are bitter so. Tó bá tẹ̀ tí mọ́bìnrin ó fọ́kọ ó ṣe márèjì láàrin oṣù méjì sóṣù mẹ́ta márèjì bírèkì ẹ ti mọ̀ pé alágbàkú obìnrin ni. Ó ṣe marriage láàrin oṣù méjì sóṣù mẹ́ta marriage break mi ìmọ̀kọ́ jíjẹ̀ṣà gan wá lára òbétúbétù òkú ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ kí ni Ìjẹ̀ṣà rí tó jẹ́ pé òkú ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ tí ò lè hold marriage fún oṣù mẹ́fà ló bá ṣọ̀rẹ́. That is what you get when you are working with a devil woman.
Òyìn ọ̀dẹ̀ wà kó àwọn ọmọ yìí sí mi lọ́dọ̀ kí màmá máa ronú kò lè ṣerú kó báyìí fún mi.
Kí má ronú lọ́mọ tó lù àbọ̀ ọmọ tó ní kó má fi ronú òun kọ́ ni mo play. Ọmọ tó pity ọmọ tó ní kó má máa ronú ọmọ tó kó sí ẹ láyà according to you. Wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jábàálẹ̀ ẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ wọ́n fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ jábàálẹ̀ ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ lára ọmọ yẹn ó dẹ̀ pé ra ẹni kó má bàa ronú. Ìṣẹ́ àtìyà ló máa ń mú àwọn èèyàn kó ọmọ wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ èèyàn kó bá wọn tọ́. Mo sure pé tó bá máa wádìí obìnrin gan lọ ọmọ tó claim pé wọ́n fi sóhun kóhun kó wọn bá ronú yẹn ó fa àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ni. Irú àwọn tó máa ń fi ọmọ ọdún mẹ́fà ọmọ ọdún méje ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ nírú ẹ̀ máa jẹ́. There was a time tí mo ń wá ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ fún mọ́ sí mi kó bá mi máa help wọn díẹ̀díẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní kí n lọ bá àwọn kan wọ́n máa ń ká àwọn ọmọ kan wá láti Cameroon àbí Cotonou àwọn ọmọ kẹ̀ how old ṣé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 17 years àbí 18 years lọ́ba ní rárá o ọmọ 7 years 8 years 9 mo ní níbo èmi àti yín kọ́ mi ní bá yín ṣerú ẹ̀ láyé mi ó sọ fún màmí mo ní tẹ́ni bá múra ẹni tó mọ ọmọ kékeré wa ẹ dá wọn padà èmi fúnra mi tí mo bí àwọn ọmọ mi gan tí n bá rán wọn iṣẹ́ tó pọ̀ jù àánú wọn máa ń ṣe mí ọmọ 7 years kó wá ṣerú ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ àwọn tó ní òun fi wọ́n sí boarding school èdè ló ń sún èdè ló ń pa èdè ló ń gbà kọ́mẹ́dì mélòó ló ń ṣe tó ń sọ ọmọ mẹ́fà ní boarding school. Who the hell are you? A wicked soul. Come àti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa fi cut threatening àwọn èèyàn just because people did not support your evil. Can you believe?
He said it's the devil.
It's the devil, imagine.
That me, I'm his benefactor, but the devil won.
Now, nínú gbogbo fídíò yẹn, ibo ni Ìjẹ̀ṣà sọ pé you are my benefactor. Nínú gbogbo fídíò yẹn, ibo ni Ìjẹ̀ṣà sọ pé you are my benefactor.
But he was just talking rubbish.
Rubbish. After you beat him.
So I asked him what happened 7 years ago. He told me he was just begging me. They took him away. Every day, we go to the police station from morning till night. And Mama will be machine feel.
Now, this woman is crying, sobbing. Lórí video pé wọ́n like her. But àwọn tó ń dún ọmọ gangan, according to you, àwọn tó ń dún ọmọ gbọgbọn Òkèlè Dàmọ́lá. Nigerians should ask this evil woman àti accomplish ẹ pé why didn't they prosecute Òkèlè Dàmọ́lá tí wọ́n jọ ń gbé lé. I never prosecute or penetrate, but where is Òkèlè? Where is Dàmọ́lá? You are crying for Laika, but you are not crying for lórí Facebook. Wọ́n ti ń flag ẹ̀dẹ̀ tó lẹ́fà like wọ́n flag wa.
Some of you are not saying if you post the video of the child.
You post it?
That was being like, kill it again. What do you want to gain? Even if
you said, what do you want to gain? You come to social media to lie on people. You lie on people, then you posted it. Because you come to social media for social media people to cancel the girl. Tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí social media cancel ẹ̀. Ó bá ti gbé lọ sí bó ṣe gbé lọ sí police station ẹ̀, jẹ́ kó wà láàrin wọn àtàwọn ọlọ́pàá kẹjọ máa ṣe. But to bring it to social media, for his name to be dragged, for people to cancel him, for his career to be spoiled, then the society too will have to ask for evidence. But you are saying what the society want to use evidence for. Then you don't need us to help you to cancel Ijesa then.
you hate me, even if you don't like me as a person,
Look at
how can you?
look at emotional blackmailing. Even though we don't like you as a person. So if you know we don't like you, we should allow you to destroy people that we like. Seriously? If we don't like you as a person, so shall we allow you to, we should allow you to destroy the person that we like. Seriously?
Báwo ni ẹ ṣe sùn torí mo lè sùn mi gẹ́tà bí mọ́ mi?
Ẹ wo bóbìnrin ṣe ń ké, ó ń ké ń fọwọ́ gbárí ni o. Ó ní báwo lè ṣe sùn torí mi ò lè sùn mi gẹ́tà lọ́mọ tó ti lù pa. Ẹni tó ń dó ọmọ Òkèlè àti Kọ́lá. Òkèlè àti Adékọ́lá àbí kí ló pè. Àwọn yẹn wà ní góńgó mú ẹ. Ó fi ọlọ́pàá gbé wọn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé minor lọ́mọ yẹn tòótọ́, Òkèlè àti Dàmọ́lá. Ó kọ́kọ́ prosecute àwọn yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tí ò dó ọmọ rí ló ní kaba ẹ̀ pa. A dẹ̀ ní afẹ́ evidence oníbàwò la ṣe ń sùn. Ìwọ ò lè sùn. Ẹ wo rọ́kẹ̀.
Báwo lè ṣe sùn?
Wo a sùn dáadáa. Ọlọ́run forún rọ̀ wá lọ́rùn torí àbá tèèyàn jẹ́. Ìwọ ló lè rọrùn sùn torí bó ṣe máa bá tèèyàn jẹ́ ló máa ń rò ní tiẹ̀. Ta ni ò ní sùn? Mo sùn mọ̀nà káì. Mo sùn mo fọ́n ọrùn. Mo sùn dáadáa. Ìwọ ló lójú oorun torí pé ó ti parọ́ mọ́ ọ̀yàn ọkọ ò ní balẹ̀. Àbí ẹ̀yà bí amọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ wò mí ẹ̀ lẹ́jẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀ bá tọmọ lọ́mọ jẹ́. Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ ọmọ jẹ yín níyà. Kí ló dé tẹ́ lójú oorun? Òun tó fẹ́ bá tọmọ lọ́mọ jẹ́ ni kò ní sùn ọkọ ò ní balẹ̀. Because ẹ̀rí ọkọ á máa jẹ́ pé ó dẹ̀ parọ́ mórí aláìṣẹ̀. Ọkọ ò ní balẹ̀.
Báwo lè ṣe sùn? Some people were even calling me, trying to threaten me.
Irọ́ ni o.
Why? Why?
Now, ó láwọn èèyàn ń pè wọ́n threaten o. Irọ́ ló ń pa o. Ìjẹ̀ṣà ò lẹ́nì kankan àfàwọn fans ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn. Irú àwa ẹ̀ náà tún stand like VDM. Báwa ṣe ń fight ẹ̀ as a blogger. Yomi Fabi fight ẹ̀ as an actor. None of Baba Ijesha colleague. I could remember Mr. Saidi Balogun. He stood his ground and talk about it. Talk about Baba Ijesha. That is a wonderful colleague. Immediately, Omo Yawere, come aside for Mr. Saidi Balogun. Threaten him to keep quiet. Omo Yawere butter. O threaten Saidi Balogun. Come shut up. My head shut up. I don't know. Ashiri Tony Lowe Toffee shut one up. There is this man too. Most of my come
wọ́n jẹ́ méjì máa yẹn náà jáde láti sọ pé kọ́líìgì wa ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà àárí kó já ìdí ọmọ ní location rí fine Ìjẹ̀ṣà lè dó àwọn adult actress of course adult yìí nà ẹ̀yin lẹ kó okó ẹ̀jẹ̀ fẹ́ dóko òun náà dẹ̀ fún yín lóko ẹjọ́ dóbò ẹjọ́ gbádùn ara yín Ìjẹ̀ṣà lè dó àwọn actor and actress ara wọn náà bàbá ọlọ́fà náà ti sọ̀rọ̀ ń gbà yẹn ṣèbí kóòtù ni bàbá ọlọ́fà náà ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní ìkan lára wọn kíní yẹn náà tó sọ̀rọ̀ ó bọ̀ta wọ́n tẹ́tì ní Yomi Fabiyi tó dúró ọmọ ìyàwó rẹ̀ bọ̀ta ó castigate ẹ̀ wọ́n á lọ ń gbé ẹmọ igẹ́ tó fẹ́ ẹ ti mọ̀ tó fẹ́ Látìfù yẹn ìyẹn náà bọ̀ta ń gbà yẹn tí ẹ náà fẹ́ wá rọ́ọ̀pù Yomi Fabiyi pé Yomi Fabiyi toast òun ó fẹ́ agídí fẹ́